Welcome to the Aaiyyanist Healers Training Course from the Aaiyyan World Foundation. We hope you find these teachings helpful in your day-to-day practice of Aayyanism. We also hope that this course will give you a good grounding in your spiritual life. Aayyanist Siddhic healing and Western medicine are two separate disciplines. Aayyanist healing is intended to supplement and not substitute professional care and treatment. If you have a serious medical condition, both physical and mental, you should always consult your doctor for advice. This training manual and the Aaiyyanist healing Siddhic energy transfer is not to be taken as medical advice, but as spiritual information. This is a translation of many Aayyanist materials, and also material collated from healing groups that are affiliated with the Aaiyyanist movement, especially the standardized codes and ethics. This course has been created by the Aaiyyan World Foundation, and with the help of other non-Aayyanist healers. We have many friends who follow Ayurveda and other disciplines, and they have lent their support in the creation of this document, especially the Code of Ethics, where we have had many discussions with practitioners of many faiths to produce a working document that all humanity can agree on. Hindu Aayyanism is about empowering the individual. You do not need to rely on someone else to heal you or your family and friends. You do not need anyone to banish asuras, demons, or deflect curses, negative energy directed from a mantrika. You do not need anyone to find love, or have someone direct the power of love energy to wash over you, in order to harmonize your life. You can do this yourself, and we will show you how. In fact, we will teach you, and guide you throughout the process. We can teach you how to be a Hindu Aayyanist healer, with the ability to heal various parts of the body and spirit, or a siddhi, someone who has mastered general Hindu magic, such as removing curses or creating bespoke spells. Aayyanism is a vocational practice. That is, the more healings and Siddhic sessions you perform, the stronger your Aayyanist power will become. Some in the Bhakti movement believe that chanting God's name can bring you closer. Aayyanism can be thought of as a very ancient form of Nishkama Karma Raja Yoga, and, to put it simply, Aayyanists believe that by inscribing the healing texts onto a client to heal them, or to aid humanity via Siddhic practice, also brings one closer. If you register to be an Aayyanist, we can monitor your progress. Hindu Aayyanism is a vocational system, in that the more healings or Siddhic sittings you perform, the higher your progress. We assume that a healer will perform at least one healing per day, so 5 healings per week, though don't be put off if you can only manage 1 per month, as long as you practice your work. After 100 healings you will move up 1 level. Many Aayyanist healers perform over 300 healings per year, which is less than 1 a day, so after a year you should be a level 3 healer. You must inform us of the healings you have performed, so we have a record of this too, i.e. we can record your level and progress, and refer clients to you the higher you rise. Basically, the Aaiyyan World Foundation, AWF, needs your healing record so that we can monitor your progress and also register your level. Not only so that clients can verify your level with the AWF, but more importantly we can refer clients to high-level Aayyanists. We will basically link clients to fellow Aayyanists, and also link Aayyanists together, to learn from each other. Once you have reached level 5 we will begin training you in other aspects of Aayyanist magic, which can protect you against asuras, demons, or mantrikas, sorcery. You can remain on the Aayyanist pure healing path, or become a general siddhi. A siddhi has the ability to heal and protect others from curses, or other ailments, as well as trained to be clairvoyant. You will then be classed as a level 5 healer or level 1 siddhi. For each 100 healing session you perform you will raise your level as a healer. By this stage you should be now quite attuned to people. For each 200 siddhi actions you perform you will also raise up a level. Once you have reached level 10 you will be an Acharya. After level 20 you will become an Aayyanist Swami, and you can put Swami before your name. After level 30 you will become an Aaiyyanist Guru, or monk teacher, and after level 40 you will become a High Aayyani, or master. You can also follow the healing path, or the siddhi path, or both. Many Aayyani master healers may only be a guru level siddhi and vice versa. We have done it this way as we find that different people have different attributes and different aspects to contribute to mankind. The general timeline of an Aayyanist is as follows. For each year you can raise yourself 2 levels. So after 10 years you will be a Swami level Aayyanist at level 20 plus. You must have a minimum of 10 years, no matter how many sittings you perform. From 15 to 20 years you can then become a Guru level Aayanist at level 40 plus, but you must have a minimum of 15 to 20 years. We find that as you become a Swami or Guru, the number of healings or sessions you perform expand rapidly, with some Swami or Gurus doing 10 healings per day. After that you will be chosen to become an Aaiyani master at level 60+. As we monitor you, we will also ask you to perform teaching duties as you progress throughout your Aaiyyanist life, though this is not mandatory.